front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by accessing device's settings. In them, scroll all the way down and tap on System. Now choose Languages and Input. RMS click, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard. Then just click on Text Correction, scroll down and click on the switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!